Model, 2021 Mercedes Sprinter 315 CDI. Damaged progressive rear-wheel drive E6L4H2 spares repairs not recorded. Hoi clear starstruck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 38,034. Engine, 1950 cc OM654 MU3 150. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: this has obviously had front damage. The engine will not turn over on the key, so we power probe the starter motor directly and the engine cranks over and runs on. Easy start and sounds perfect. Grin. Lots of small bits been taken from the vehicle as in the pictures. Condition summary: bodywork is quite rough. Interior is quite rough. Rear load area is quite rough. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 20.